Good afternoon, Grace here. I'm out on a walk and I felt inspired to share about the Soul Imprint 4-week program that is beginning April 11th. It will be 4 Thursdays, and I'll share more info at the end of this video. So the Soul Imprint, what we will be doing during this time is creating your own soul imprint. And it's based on an inquiry. Like, let's say you're going through a transitional time and you're having to let go of something that has been with you for a long time. It could be a relationship, a job, a home, so many things, empty nesters, so many transitions that we go through in our lives on a daily basis. But these are the bigger ones, the ones that perhaps you feel stuck, perhaps you don't feel inspired, you don't know what's next, or where to go, or what to do, though you may have some ideas. And this process will give you the opportunity to dive deep and reflect. So there is meditation, there's a journeying into your imagination, there's breath work, somatic work, which is really connecting with what's happening here in your body and how to align it with your heart's desire and perhaps the thing that you feel you want to explore about mission or purpose. So we will take each class to work on a creative piece as we develop the soul imprint, and also we will dive into more of an exploration and an experiential piece that will inform what you're going to be painting or drawing. So it will build each week, and it's going to be playful and enjoyable and also informative. It will bring you more awareness of what may be under the hood. So I look forward to sharing this with you. The information is below the video. Please join me. Thank you so much.